Good morning, students. See, this is unit 2, kinds of sentences, and it is like, you can say this is a revision for you. I already explained to you on online, so this is just a revision. Okay, this is unit test is coming, that's why. See, now you have learned what is a sentence. Then now these are the 4 kinds of sentences we are learning here. We have already learned declarative sentence or statement, you can say, interrogative sentence or question, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, or an exclamation. Okay, students, now you see here you can say statement and declarative statement is a a sentence that states or declares something is called a declarative sentence or statement, you can say. So the sentence like the sun rises in the east, the boys were swimming in the river. So you understood the meaning. Okay, now second is the interrogative sentence or a question. Okay, a sentence can ask questions as who has broken this glass, where is the aeroplane. So you can see this is the interrogative sentence because there is a question and someone is asking questions like that. Okay, now a sentence can give an order or make a request. So order, make a request, desire, these are all called imperative sentences. Okay, a sentence can give you an order or make a request. That is, Peter, shut the door, please bring me a glass of water. See, this is like commanding, and this is like requesting. Now so you understood the meaning of imperative sentence. Now exclamatory, it is like surprising thing, that when something's like you can say something you have seen suddenly and then afterwards it like for example, I told you beautiful flower rose. So when you see a rose, you feel so nice. So we are asking like how beautiful this rose is, like, and then exclamation marks will be there. Okay, a sentence that can express some strong or sudden feeling is called how beautiful is called an exclamatory sentence. This exclamation marks will be there. How beautiful this rose is. See what a noise they are making. So some children are making noise, so you can't bear it, so you use this word. So a sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence or an exclamation. So you understood. For every sentence you begin with the capital and then full stop at the end. That is for the declarative and imperative. Now here you can see for question mark, interrogative, exclamation mark, this is the one. Okay, so I have already taught you this, but just for revision I am doing it. So here there are some sentences you can see. You keep this is like we have to say whether it is interrogative, imperative, declarative, like that. So this keep of this glass, so this is imperative. How old is your elder sister? Interrogative, question mark is there. Honesty is the best policy, declarative. How foolish I have been, exclamatory. The earth goes round the sun, declarative. All that glitters is not gold, declarative. Will you please allow me to sit down here, imperative. So you are telling like requesting. How do you do? This is a question mark, interrogative. What a horrible sight it was, exclamatory. How many people were there? This is a question. Question is there, so interrogative. So I hope you understood this. Exercise 2 already done for you, and all the answers are given in the Google Classroom. Here what you have to do is that you have to see what is missing over here. See, H is missing. So question mark. So you have to write this as how sweet this rose smells. So here you put question mark and then this is a capital letter and question mark. So this will be the interrogative, like that. Okay. So this you should learn. It is already given to you. Now here also you can see what is the time by your watch. This is interrogative sentence. Shut the door, Roshan. This is imperative sentence. Who was knocking at the door? Interrogative. You must never lie or cheat. This will be declarative. May God bless you with health. Yes, this is declarative. Who has taken my pen without permission? So this is a question mark, and you can see this. You have to write the capital over here if it is coming in the exam, and be careful. Write it fully and then give the what is that called? Which sentence is that? Like this is the interrogative. What a thrilling movie it was. So this is also exclamation. So question mark. Don't make a noise. So this is like request, commanding. So imperative. Sun went down at 3 p.m. So this is declarative. So students, I hope you understood this. The sun went down at 3 p.m. Okay? So these are the things you have to understand. I hope you understood this.